Okay, this is incredible. Here, my cousin Douglas, this is his home in Las Chinamas, and he's watching toucans, Torogozes. I thought they were extinct, but obviously it's not. This tree is called, how is it called?
Guayabillo.
Guayabillo is a regional name, but they are right there feeding. This tree attracts a lot of wildlife. I have seen squirrels feeding there too. Oh man, I can't believe I'm watching this live. Yeah,
Aquí están en volado, yo tengo que ir a hacer algo por allá, a ver,
yeah,
los corro.
yeah. Go ahead, go ahead. Yeah, they flew. One flew already away. The other one, yeah, they're flying away. But doesn't matter. I got them on record.